Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I am talking today about this probiotics from this brand Garden of Life. Man, these are amazing. So let's open it up and show you. I want to show you how big the pills are, and so just so you understand, this is the probiotics, one of the best in the market, with 50 billion different type of probiotics, 15 types of strains of probiotics. So I don't even know no brand that produce this type of probiotics. You have all of them, like as you can see on the label, you have all of them. So let's just open it up and see how big are the pills. So basically tastes like nothing, just a regular pill, and it will help you a lot with multiple stuff, colon health, gas, if you have like type of gas in your intestine, immune system support, and basically even if you have a type of candidas or something like that, any type of stuff, this probiotics will help you out a lot. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.